As for production, Rivian is on quite the roller coaster. Last month, it announced it would delay deliveries of some of its pickups and SUVs until next year, citing supply chain issues. And according to Bloomberg, Rivian paused production at its plant in Illinois earlier this month to make some improvements. But it appears Rivian has now worked through those issues and is planning to boost production from 50 to 200 units a week. Industry experts view Rivian as one of Tesla's main competitors, which is why any shifts in development are getting so much attention.
Tonight, we're awaiting a judge's ruling in a contract dispute between insurance company Anthem and Northside Hospital that has now stretched on. This has been going on for months now, Chiba.
Yeah, 11 Alive's Latasha Givens live at the Fulton County Courthouse with the very latest.
Good evening, Sheba and Jeff. This legal battle is affecting about 400,000 patients with Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield insurance coverage. And at this very hour, they still don't know if their in-network coverage with Northside Hospital will be dropped or not. We are anticipating a judge to issue a ruling on this part of the case later this evening. Here's a little background on this case up to this point. 7 months ago, health insurance provider Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield notified Northside Hospital it wanted to change its contract, alleging Northside was charging more than Metro hospitals. But Northside says the contract was not up for renewal, and it argued a bill signed into Georgia law during the pandemic prohibits insurers from terminating a provider's in-network coverage for up to 150 days after a public health emergency. On December 30th, a judge granted an injunction allowing Northside to remain in-network with Anthem through January 31st. But Anthem filed an emergency motion seeking to end coverage and force arbitration. During a hearing this week, the judge was tasked with deciding whether the new law protects Northside and whether Anthem can legally terminate its contract with Northside if it wasn't up for negotiation. And again, we're waiting on a judge to issue a ruling within the next few hours. We'll bring you those breaking details as soon as we get them on air and online at 11alive.com. Back to you guys.
All right, we'll stay tuned for that, Latasha. Thank you. And we have been following this saga from the beginning. To hear from patients stuck in the middle and read up on the court filings, look for this story on 11alive.com.